most loved ones, kids, hooked on technology and disconnected from nature. And we, as parents, try to encourage them to go outside, explore and play, and teach them history. Yet, it seems hopeless at times. Nokta Makro, introducing the world's first waterproof kids detector series. Mini and Mini Hoard. Easy to use, lightweight and compact. The most fun way to introduce kids to metal detecting. The hobby they can enjoy away from the crowds, and the only hobby that can pay back. Sometimes by putting a big smile on their face. Or sometimes with even more. Release the discoverer in your child. See the excitement when they uncover their treasure. Nokta Makro achieves another industry first with a series of real metal detectors for kids. Developed with kids in mind only. Fun and affordable, yet durable, unlike a toy. Mini and Midi Hoard. Waterproof up to 3 feet. Impressive build quality. Combined with child-friendly design. Finds, discriminates, and pinpoints. Just like an adult's detector. Share your hobby with your kids to build great family memories. Let your kids discover a world full of adventure. Experience and excitement of discovery right outside their door. Mini and Midi Hoard. World's first waterproof kids detector series for the young treasure hunters of the future.